Everyone, just a quick update here on my BMW R75/5 top end rebuild. Yeah, I'm about to assemble it. Here's the left-hand cylinder. Scotty's workshop out in California did the boring of it, so it's one size over the Wasner piston forged, which, by the way, 2 ounces less per piston than the stock piston, which is pretty cool. Refurbished heads. So I'm just gathering everything here. I'm about to, I'm going to use Curl T, which I had some left over from my Porsche because I rebuilt the engine on this guy a few years ago, but the shelf life I don't think was good enough, so I think I'm going to, this was the Curl T2, so I think I'm going to toss that. And then get the cylinders on, and oh, one other thing I did put the sport adjusters on here, just because I had to make a last minute order, so I pulled the stock ones off. I guess those are a little bit lighter, so they use the hex in the middle, and then a 10 millimeter instead of 2 12 millimeters. So, little upgrade there. Oh, and then the circlips. So when I did the Porsche, this is a circlip injector from Stomski Racing, S-T-O-M-S-K-I. So you basically put the circlip, piston circlip in here, and then you press the back and it snaps into place. So it wasn't, well, I was able to do the sides of these last night. It took me a couple times to get reacquainted with it. But if I didn't have that, it would be a nightmare to attempt to put the circlip on once the cylinder is there. So anyway, I'm going to start coating the base gaskets and put it together. So this is my fun project, which I enjoy this stuff. It's kind of a hobby. So anyway, just a quick update of what I've been up to, and catch you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.